What's up everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the downloads folder if it disappeared from your Mac dock. So first, you simply have to open the Finder and click Go, then Downloads. So this is just to make sure that the downloads folder still exists. So if it does, you can easily add it back to the dock. So to do this, simply drag the downloads folder from the Finder straight into the right side of the dock. So that's going to be near the trash. And once you do that, you can then make sure that you place it on the right side, since folders won't stick on the left. So if it still doesn't stay, you can also try restarting your Mac or right click the dock, then go to options and make sure the keep in dock option is enabled for the folder. So once you do this, the downloads folder will appear back in your dock and stay there like before. So that's it. So that's how to fix the downloads folder on Mac. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.